Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Sibongile feels the need to get hold of Kwenzo until a lawyer shows up at her door. An excited Vuma prepares for his days with Samke. Velephi returns to Ixopo. On Tuesday, Sibongile considers Jabu's proposal to sue the Dlaminis, and Vuma worries Samke wants to catch the culprit who keeps raiding her restaurant. Qiniso's lies catch up with him. On Wednesday, Jabu's plan to take down the Dlaminis is finally in motion. Vuma declares his underlying love for Samke. Velephi has no idea that Qiniso is out to scam her. Thank you for watching.